Sprawl. Oh.
There you go. Gilbert frame. Ito lang yan. There you go.
Push.
Nice, Gilbert. Nice.
Bridge. Oh. Nice. Agambar. Ayan, tayo. Push down. Forward. Ikot. Patay. Huli. Size.
Fritz Macardo from Triforce Jiu-Jitsu Japan. Please approach mat number 1.
Lagay mo sa ilalim yung ano kamay mo, G. Yan. Oh. Ikot.
Fritz Macardo from Triforce Jiu-Jitsu
Ikot
Japan.
palit.
Please approach mat number 1.
Yan, tapos mo forward. Oh.
Nice, Gilbert. There you go. Wala na siya pang hawak.
Tapos forward. Hugutin mo yung head mo. Tapos forward.
Crossface.
Magkikimura uli ha.
Sa'yo na yan, Gilbert. Sa'yo na yan.
Yan.
Single leg. Tapos tayo. Tayo, ikot ko sa right.
Kaya ko naman.
Forward. Pop mo, Jeep. Labas ka dun sa hooks niya.
Silberto, nice one. There you go. Squeeze.
Ikot.
Nice, Gilbert. Tanan out. Nice.
Ikot. Labas sa hooks. Yan. Move. Ikot. Yan. Tapos ano?
May triangle dyan, Gilbert.
Bridge. Tapos paano?
Nice, sige.
Tulak mo yung hips niya. Magkikimura. Yan, square mikot. Yan, tas ano? Bridge pa right. Bridge pa right. Yan, good. Yan, up. Good. Hintayin mo siya mauna ha, huwag kang mauna.
Fritz Macardo from Triforce Jiu-Jitsu Japan. Please approach mat number 1.
Gilbert, 1 minute.
Oh. Sabi ko, ingat si Don.
Nice, Gilbert.
Bridge, CP, bridge. Underhook mo yung kamay, GP. Ay, underhook. Yeah. Sweep, tapos bridge. Yan. Kabi. Yan, pa-right. Go. Straight, straight, straight yung kamay, straight, good.
Side show, Gilbert. Kunin ako muna side show.